Add this to your weeknight meal rotation. It is a turkey and feta meatball with a lemony yogurt sauce. Let's make that yogurt sauce first by combining some Greek yogurt, lemon juice, lemon zest, salt and pepper. Mix that really well and set aside. Then we're gonna saute some shallot and garlic. And while that sautés, let's go ahead and shred some zucchini, squeezing out any excess moisture. Add that to a bowl with ground turkey, followed by the zucchini, as well as some feta, an egg, breadcrumb, a little bit of yogurt, salt, and pepper. Mix that really well together. And then using an ice cream scoop, let's scoop out the meatballs. You can also use 2 spoons. And then if the mixture is sticky, you can throw it in the fridge. Otherwise, let's saute them for about 6 to 8 minutes until it reaches 165 on a meat thermometer. Today, I'm gonna serve mine with a really simple salad. You could also serve yours with like grilled pita would be delicious. It's totally up to you. Just make sure you have a big dollop of that lemony yogurt sauce, and we are ready to eat.